Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how can you make your TikTok use less data if you have limited internet package on your phone. So how you can use TikTok with less data. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your TikTok mobile application. Once you will open it, now you have to click on the profile from the right bottom. Okay, now you are in your profile. So from right top you have to click on the three lines. Okay, once you will do it, now scroll up and in the cache and the cellular data you will see data saver. So you have to click on it. Once you will click on it, you have to turn on this. This is basically a data saver. So data saver will reduce your cellular data usage. Video may be at lower resolution or take longer to load. This won't apply when you are on the Wi-Fi. So when you are on the Wi-Fi, it will not access this feature, but when you are on the cellular data you can use this feature. So it will give you a low resolution, but you can save your data and enjoy the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question you can ask me in the comment section, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.